What I told, or I had a speech last Saturday sa Rotary. So I was trying to convey to them ano ang Philippine governance. No? I was trying to relate to them kung in a very simple way kung ano palang tao kung coming from the private sector into the government service. No? So actually ang Pilipinas, this is a mixed culture, no? Kabudlay in Sindian, as I told you last Monday, kung ibutang tapos sa personalidad, kabudlay. Pero, kabudlay in Sindian, no? Kasosyedad. Pero, ang atin lang pangamuyon, most of us, no? Will be thinking in a positive way. Just like the administrator, no? Positive, binagi na lang tao na in so many simple things, ngayon sa dapat kita positive. No? Mo, ang mga tao, whatever happens in their life, depends on their outlook. No? May dyan tao nga, kung ang isa ka, kung may different types of personalities, no? Pasaka mo sa bukid. Ang tao nga positive thinker, mabata na kaskaan ka, mataway na to sa babaw, namin na to hangin. No? Okay? Ang tao nga negative thinker, gambata na nga, kita ka masaka, budlayran sa taga lawig saka taga taas pagkikitaas ang bukid, no? Ang indifferent na white labot, no? Ang white labot mabata na kapadanta ka na no ginakabal to man. Oh, white labot bala tayo tingyo diyan, no? As long as things will not affect him. Ang tao na obstructionist, baskin pa papanawon mo sa flat nga road, sa flat nga dalan, ang tao na obstructionist. Batangan na bukid sa tubag na. Okay? So it's very clear, no? Well, of course, I have always been encouraging the people of Santa Barbara and maghambal na public servant ang muna hambal ko sa mga Rotarians. No, we don't take it literally. When you say public servant, don't take it literally. Nga, ikaw maserbi sa tao, manghakwat ka, tanan-tanan na sa kasal, bunyag, lubong, tanan-tanan to, wala, sige lang provide, and you know, as a public servant, you have to be an organizer. You have to empower people so that the people will be able to stand by themselves. At tapos, ano ayan kabakan ang barangay? Ang tao masarigan mo. And that's the point that we have been always stressing, no? To the barangay officials, dapat ang barangay makatindagi anda, no? Okay, in their own capacity. Hindi man tayo mag-expectar sa anda nga beyond the capacity. Ang mga tao makatindagi. We are going to help them, pero after helping them, dapat sanda mamat-amat na, no? Kung amo dyan tanan kabarangayan sa bilong ng Santa Barbara, kabakag nga banwa ng Santa Barbara. And I am sure it will be very strong. Kung amo yung tanan niya banwa sa Pilipinas, ano ay ang kabakag ng Pilipinas? And believe me, no, it always starts with the people. No, people empowerment only. No? So, ang akin na bal is, hindi naman dyan ma-perfecto tanan. Basta hindi lagi kita malabawan ng mga negative thinker, kay mga obstructionist. Okay? Siguro sa 100%, siguro kung 60 to 70% mga tao, positive thinker namin na. Pero kung 80% yung mga tao, obstructionist, o kung negative thinker, budlay niya, we will go backwards. Okay? So, as I mentioned earlier, matanan ang mga government officials, of course, the people in the LGU, hindi man kita tanan perfecto, hindi pala, no? We will try just, kung baga, tumuon na natin masarangan. Okay? So that we will be on the positive side. So, ang amo lang so kung mag-stagnate kita, why mat-improvement? Di-stagnate kita.